Hey guys, so first of all, Merry Christmas to you all. Hope you all enjoy your day. And so let's come on to our today's video. So today's video is about I have attempted to solve this, making this Christmas tree. I don't know whether it looks exactly like Christmas tree or not, but I guess it somewhat looks like. So these are just for information. These are the wood, and this is the Christmas tree for reference. And this video was recorded after the filming of the attempting to solve it video. So now let's go on to it. So let's start with a Christmas tree pattern making. So first let us make the wood one. So that was two edge pieces and two center pieces here, green color. So two edge pieces, center pieces are already here, but I don't think that they would be. So I'm again scrambling it a bit. Now let's pair up two center pieces and two edge pieces. So first I will pair up the edge pieces. So yeah, got it. This yellow and green and this yellow and green are here. So I will just pair them like this. Paired. So green is here, so here two green pair of the green edge center pieces. So which one? This is here, it will go here. So to avoid any confusion, I will place it with commutator and then place it here. So this became the wood. I have to remove this extra center piece here. And now I have to the lower part of the tree, which will be full this much wide. So first of all, two edge pieces, green facing front, will be here. So for that, I guess this one will not. This is not the correct one. Yeah, this is the correct one, but along with it there are more edge pieces, so I'll better not to place it. And let's see about this one. Which edge piece shall I put? Wait a minute. Did I mess it up? Yeah, I messed it up, but I now recovered also. I recovered now. So this is our wood part. Now here we have to bring two edge pieces in which green is facing towards us. So that's becoming pretty confusing. Yeah, and got it. Wait a minute. Before pressing this one, I have to remove this one. And so this one came here. Wait. So this came here now, and we need one here also. So this will go like this here. I can place it with sledgehammer with like this, and yeah, it worked. So the edge pieces are now there. Now center pieces, I'll place them using commutators, all the four. So let's see where are they. So I have to do setup moves and then use commutator. So I have to remember which setup move I did. So this one will go here, placed using commutator. Undo the setup move. Here I don't need to undo the setup move, there will be no difference. The last center piece, sorry, none of them will come here. Where are the other? I guess this will come here. So first I have to bring it to its adjacent layer or side, brought it, now placing it using commutator. And so the bottom part of the tree is made now. Now the upper part, which only 4 center pieces will be there and no edge piece. So one is already here, I have to just place it now. Placed. Now 3 more. Here are the 3. Brought it, and all 3 are in the correct places. That will come like this here. So I'll place them together using group commutator. Wait. My 6x6 is making some weird noises. I'll look onto it afterwards. Only 2 can be placed here, else I'll mess it up, I realized. And now this one. Upper part has been made. Now the topmost part will be this one, and I'll make this one also. Never mind. So we need one centerpiece here. One is already here. Where is that? This one. This one will go here. Setup mode done. Commutator. And here I have to undo the setup move, and it's done. But see, in this Christmas tree there are few extra pieces, so I have to remove them somehow. So for removing this one, it will be a bit risky. So I have an idea. I'll use the parity algorithm to just flip it, so that green will be on the other side. And yeah, it worked. The screen is now flipped, and now we are safe with it. And now lastly, I have to pair up 2 edge pieces with green in them and place it here. That would be a bit challenging. So let's see. So this one is here and this one is here. I can bring this one here, but this will also move along with it. So what to do here? Let's look onto another pair. And got the another pair, I guess. Yeah, this green and white paired, and did the setup move, but I messed it up. What to do here? I have to pair them somehow. I can bring them here using a unicorn. Can I? I have to remember the setup. I am doing a unicorn. And that's successful. And now easily pairing them up. Nothing being destroyed here. Yeah, confirmed. Placing them here, but they are flipped. Easy using the parity algorithm. And I guess now the pattern is made. Did I mess the parity algorithm? I guess no. And yeah, it's not made yet. This one here extra. Same using the parity algorithm with the RW move or R wide move. And now it's done. So this is our Christmas tree. Merry Christmas. Wood and the other part of the tree. So hope you guys liked it. Do like, subscribe, share and comment, and press the bell icon for more videos and instant notifications for my upcoming videos. Goodbye, take care, until next video.